Hi everyone. First of all, I would like to wish all my viewers Merry Christmas and Happy New Year in advance. And today I am very excited to share with you all a recipe that's sure to become one of your favorite, and it's deliciously stuffed chicken roulade that's perfect for both weeknight dinners and special occasions where you want to impress your guest, making it a restaurant quality meal which you can make right at home. So let's get started with this amazingly delicious recipe which pairs well along with mashed potatoes and sauteed veggies. And here I have taken a chicken breast. First we need to butterfly the breast. Using a sharp knife, we need to cut through the chicken along this side just until we have almost split the chicken breast in half. But be careful not to split it completely. Alright, this is done and this technique is called butterflying. Next, we will wrap the butterfly chicken breast with a cellophane sheet, and using a meat pounder, we'll pound out the chicken breast and flatten it slightly, which will make it easier to roll the chicken breast along with the stuffing. Next up is to season the chicken breast, and here goes some salt, black pepper, garlic powder as per taste. Then this is mixed herbs. We'll sprinkle this a bit. We'll rub the seasonings well on this side of the chicken breast. And now we will flip the chicken breast and we'll apply the same seasonings on the other side as well. Also, I'm going to apply a few drops of lime juice which will help to tenderize the chicken breast. We'll rub the seasonings well and we will let this rest for at least half an hour. Next, we'll heat some olive oil in a pan, and into this we will add some chopped garlic and onions. On medium heat, we will saute them until they turn translucent. Next, into this we will add some finely chopped mushrooms. On medium flame, we will cook the mushrooms until they are soft and tender. And once the mushrooms are soft and tender, we will add the chopped spinach. We'll give this a stir. And now we'll quickly season the mushroom and spinach with a pinch of salt and black pepper as per taste. And we need to cook the spinach for just a minute or so until they are wilted or the moisture dries out completely. Alright, this is done now. We'll remove the mixture from the heat and transfer this into a bowl. Now coming back to the chicken breast, we'll generously place the mushroom spinach stuffing and evenly spread this in the breast. Well, there are all kinds of options for chicken roulade fillings. Spinach and mushrooms along with some cheese tends to be my favorite. And here I'm adding some grated processed cheese as well as mozzarella cheese. And now we need to grab one side of the chicken breast and begin rolling it over the filling just like we would do a burrito. And now using the cellophane sheet, we will wrap the chicken roulade as tightly as we can, securing the edges with rubber bands. And now I'm going to let them rest in the refrigerator for at least half an hour. Next, we'll heat some olive oil and butter in a pan. We'll let the butter melt completely. And now to this we'll add some finely chopped garlic and onions. And on medium flame, we will saute this well until they turn golden brown and aromatic. Next, into this goes 1 tablespoon of refined flour. And we need to mix this well until it blends into a lumps-free consistency. At this stage, we will gradually pour milk and keep on stirring the mixture continuously so that there are no lumps formed. I'll add now some grated Parmesan cheese, which will make our sauce more cheesy, creamy and delicious. We'll mix this well until the cheese is well combined with the sauce. And now I'm going to season the sauce with some salt, black pepper as per taste. Then goes 1/4 teaspoon of mixed herbs and 1/4 teaspoon of chili flakes. We'll mix this well. And you can see the consistency of the sauce, thick and creamy. Finally, I will add some chopped parsley. And our creamy and cheesy white sauce is also ready. And the next step is to pan-sear the chicken roulade. For that, I will add a little bit of olive oil, just enough to pan-sear the chicken roulade. And when the oil is hot, we will add the chicken roulade. And on medium flame, we need to pan-sear it until they are well browned from all the sides. For that, we need to keep on flipping them in between after every 1 to 2 minutes. Make sure the sides are also fried so that they are evenly well browned. And here I would like to suggest one thing. If you have guests coming for lunch or dinner, then you can prepare this stuffing and sauce a day ahead. And the next day when you have guests, 1 hour before serving dinner, you can fill the stuffing, set in the fridge for half an hour, and then pan-sear the chicken roulade, which will take just 8 minutes and it will be done. So in this way you can save a lot of time to prepare some other dishes. And by now our chicken roulade is also ready. So we'll take it off and arrange for serving. For serving, we will slice the chicken roulade into medium portions like this. And you can see the spinach, mushroom and cheese stuffing inside. So slicing is done, and now we will arrange the chicken roulade in a serving plate. And on top goes the cheesy white sauce which we had prepared earlier. So friends, I hope you will try this deliciously stuffed chicken roulade recipe. Also share your feedbacks and you can check out my other interesting recipes. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and happy cooking everyone.